If you don't want to be that young man or that young woman who worked hard, built something valuable, and then lost everything, simply because you signed a bad contract you didn't fully understand, then listen closely. Even if you don't have a lawyer to review your documents, there are 5 critical things that you must always check for yourself before you sign any agreement. These 5 checks could be the difference between protecting what you've built and watching it slip away. The first thing is parties and capacity. First, confirm that the names of all the parties are correct. Then you identify who it is that you are dealing with. Is it an individual or an organization? And then, in the case of an organization, does the person you are dealing with have power to enter into that agreement on behalf of the organization? Do this first. If not, the contract may not protect you at all. The second thing are the duties and obligations. Read line by line. What exactly are you promising to do, and can you do it? The next thing to check for is what the other person is also promising to do. An agreement should not be sounding like a threat. It's a two-way thing. You give, you receive. Now, most importantly, what happens if either side fails? Then thirdly is the term and termination. How long does the contract run? Months, years, or indefinitely? And under what conditions can it be ended? Can you walk away if things go wrong, or are you locked in with no exit? And then fourthly is liability and risk. Who bears the loss if things go wrong? Watch carefully for words like indemnity, limitation of liability, or warranty. These decide whether you are protected or whether you carry the burden alone. And then finally, watch out for the restrictive clauses. Pay close attention to restrictive covenants. These are clauses that limit what you can do during and after the contract. For example, a non-compete can stop you from starting, joining, or working for a competing business for a period of time. A confidentiality clause can bar you from sharing trade secrets or even describing the kind of work that you did. These clauses may look harmless, but they can follow you even long after the contract has expired and stopped you from pursuing future opportunities. At the end of the day, a contract is not just a paper, it is binding. Once you sign, you are committed, whether you understand it or not. So slow down, read carefully, and protect yourself.